true what they say. You just can't judge a book by its cover. But this doesn't mean that your book couldn't have an astounding first impression. Book covers are still a compelling reason to purchase a book. This is because a book cover offers the possibility of either diving inside or turning back. Placeit has plenty of different book cover templates, covering subjects as romance, cooking, sci-fi, thriller, horror, or even children. Okay, let's dive in and check how to create one out. The template that we will be using in this occasion is a children's book cover. We have some different tools to use, so let's start on the left side, where we can write down our title. You have 3 boxes to set your book title in the way that you like it better, and an extra one for a legend or a subtitle. Mine is going to be Listening to the Nature, a kid's edition. I know, that's grammatically wrong, but hey, it's my book. I can name it the way that I want to. In case that you don't need all of these boxes, just click on the checkbox next to it to lock it, or don't write nothing at all. The S, M, L, and XL buttons correspond to the size of each world title on the book cover. Change the type font by clicking on the box below. Select the type font and click on it. You can use a different one for each, the same one, or combine it. Just next to it, you will find the color selector. By simply clicking on the square color, you will be able to choose a color for the words that you just wrote. Click on the More button to select a specific color, or write down the hex code directly if you know it. Okay, I want to use the yellow color, but for now I am going to choose green for this type font. Remember that you can change the size of the title by clicking the plus and minus buttons that you can find in the right bottom corner of the book cover. Okay, once the title is ready, just go down below the text section. You will find the bottom graphic section, which allow you to choose a nice ornament illustration for the bottom part of your book cover design. There are different styles. Try them all and decide which one complete your cover. Or click on the No Image button to get rid of it. Moving out to the opposite side and continuing with the ornament illustrations, we can choose a center graphic design. Play around and decide which one goes better with your theme. These tweaks, I think they are perfect for my nature-inspired theme. In case you don't need a center graphic, click on the No Image button to get rid of it. Next thing, change the color of the graphic by clicking on this box that is upside the graphics and choose a color. Just like in the color section, by clicking on the More button, you're able to either find a different shade of a color or get a specific one by writing down the hex code here. Finally, the background along with the book title are a crucial part in a book cover. Both must be representing or give a hint to the customer about what the text is going to talk about. You can choose, for example, an illustration, a different graphic, or a nice photo like the ones we have here. You can even choose an image that you already own as your background. If this is your case, click on the Custom Image button and select your image. If you don't need any image, click on the No Image button. I am looking for something very floral or natural. I am selecting this beautiful tree leaves draw. The next thing that you want to do is add a color background. You can select the box color on the upper part of the background section and pick up the color that suits better to your cover. You can click on More to see a different variety of colors and select a specific one. Go to the top to find this box. I am going to pick this green. Now, I am going to change to the yellow color that I was going to use at first. And now you can see it better with this green background. So then you just go to the top and find this box and select the format of your cover. As you can see, you have different scales, so you can forget about measurement problems and promote your cover in different formats. And that's it. You have your book cover done. Go to the top section finally and select the blue download button. On this pop-up, you can see the format and the resolution of your image. You can click on purchase or get unlimited download for only $29 a month. With Placeit's book cover maker, you can basically create whatever book cover you've been imagining. You can now take control and come up with your own book cover design. There's no need to download anything extra. Just your final design ready to be promoted. Well, go ahead and have fun. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.